Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this sweet chili salmon, grilled salmon. Let's get to the recipe. So I'm going to start by seasoning my salmon, or some like to say salmon. These are very happy people who pronounces L and salmon. I saw that post online, it's funny. Anyway, so I will list all the ingredients in the description box below with the measurements. I am seasoning my salmon with all-purpose chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Old Bay, Creole seasoning, Creole seafood seasoning, black pepper, chicken bouillon. I found a chicken bouillon with low sodium, and it does not have MSG. Perfect. So yes, for those of you who are wondering, if you don't have Creole seasoning, I guess that's fine. I use a lot of that one. It's the most seasoning I use. Old Bay is fine, just double the measurement of Old Bay. So for the marinating, I am using bitter orange juice. The whole time I've been calling it sour orange juice because that's what we call it in Haiti. Anyway, so I'm using that instead of lime or lemon because I didn't have any in the house and I didn't want to step outside. So it did the work. It worked just fine. So feel free to use lime or lemon, whatever is accessible to you. It's just fine. It still has a lot of, or you can just use vinegar. That will work just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub the seasonings on the salmon. Make sure it gets in there, and after I season it, I let it marinate for about an hour, and then we're gonna start cooking, grilling, I shall say. So make sure your salmon is room temperature before you start the grilling so the texture is not changed. So I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon or two to my pan, my hot grilling pan. I got this from Macy's. It's Scaflon. I have it on my Instagram, on my Amazon storefront store, so you can purchase it there if you're interested. It's a very good pan. I've had it for a long time. So I'm putting it this side down because that's the side I'm gonna serve it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my salmon in the hot pan and let it grill for 6 to 8 minutes. So they're cut pretty small, they're not that big, so it didn't take that long to cook. 4 minutes on each side was just perfect. It wasn't dry, it was just so juicy and yummy. Ooh. Salmon is one of my favorite fishes, honestly. This is something we eat a lot in Haiti. Salmon and red snapper are very popular fishes in Haiti. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it sides. See how good it's looking already? It's looking perfect. Perfect, like me. So when your salmon is almost ready, the last minute, we're gonna go ahead and add butter and the chili sauce. So I did not make my own chili sauce because why would I do that? I got this Thai sweet chili sauce from BJ's. You can get the other brand, but this is my favorite. I love that one. It's so yummy. It's bomb, and that's one of my favorite ways to eat salmon, like that. It would have been better if this was being grilled on charcoal. I can't wait for summer. Like, I can't wait for the weather to be nicer so I can just start grilling outside. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add the butter for extra fat because hey, fat never killed anybody. I'm joking. Anyway, so once the butter is melting, we're gonna go ahead and braise it with the salmon sauce, the sweet chili sauce and the butter. Just gonna go ahead and braise it. Oh, it looks so good, you guys. This is the last minute of the cooking, and we're gonna do that for the last minute, and then your salmon is ready to eat. Flip it side a little bit so you can make sure that sauce get in there. Make sure it has that. Oh, look at the color on it. Oh my god, wow. Yes, yes. Ooh, braise it more. Make sure that fat get in there, like that delicious flavor gets in there. Okay. By the way, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more. This will help the algorithm. It will help me a lot. Please be sure to subscribe and also tell a friend. Oh, this is the final product. This was served with my Cajun pasta. When I tell you that was delicious, look at this. Oh my god, wow, this was delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe. It's really delicious. It's yummy. It's best with that, or as a salad. Oh my god, it's also yum on salad. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.